YouTube, it's your boy Hayden back here with another fire video.
Jeff? What is Jeff? That's right.
And today we're gonna be exploring a haunted cemetery. So this cemetery is not far from my house. It is confirmed haunted. There are people like buried here from the 1800s and all that kind of jazz. Like you can't read the. I'm gonna try and read some stones for y'all, but just to show y'all that this is actually a cemetery. Alright, so we gotta kind of cut through some people's property right here. So let's go. By the way, guys, if this gets to 10 likes, if this hits 10 likes, I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna come up here alone at nighttime. No lie. I promise you. I know y'all can do it. Y'all, Hey Nation. Hey Nation, y'all can do anything. So sorry from all that running. Look. HP. It's weird. HP. Huh. All these. There is a building right there. I'm pretty sure it's a church. Pretty sure they're building a new church right there. So that's why, like, I don't know, this church may use these cemeteries. This church may not even know that there's cemeteries back here. I'm trying not to be disrespectful. But, if you like Boren, U.S. Does that kind of look like a U.S. right there? U.S. G.W. Joyner. Someone. D.S. maybe. Born September 21st. Probably died something 21st. Aged 30. Age 3. Age 3, guys. Did y'all see that? It said age 3. This is a baby buried here. Died age 3. That's creepy. That's creepy. Here's some broken ones. These are really old. If I find a date on these, oh, you already know I'm gonna show it to y'all. This one is a weird cemetery. I mean, yeah, these are creepy out here, guys. So make sure y'all hit that like button for me to come up here alone by myself. That's gonna be creepy as crap. And let's lower it a little bit. If you get this to 7 likes, guys, I will come up here. I'm not sure when. I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna, at nighttime, and I'm gonna explore this. It's gonna be insane, let me tell you that. Also, make sure, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Right, guys, so like I said, make sure to get this to 7 likes. And then I'll come back up here at nighttime and like stay here like for a long time and hope something creepy happens just because it's good for views. So yeah. And also, I saw this gravestone over here. This huge gravestone. Not this one. This one is. Aha. Jeez, look at it. Here's into me. Ah, that hurt. I don't know why it's not focusing. Alright, it's not focusing right now, guys. There we go. Alright, so I saw this big gravestone. Oh, this big gravestone, bigger than the others. I'm gonna have to go down real quick. Blood call. Here it is. Can you see a date? It looks like Rebecca wife. She was a wife of WRPETTUS. Died August 29th, 1840. 1840. 1840. 1840. Age. I can't read the age. So yeah, that confirms it, guys. That confirms that these people were like, this was from the 1800s. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I'm gonna try and find my way out of here. That's pretty much it. Let's try and find my way out of here. Okay, let's look at this sign real quick. Yeah, there's nothing on the back. Nothing. Look. That's how you can tell how old it is. This stuff is old out here, guys. I keep looking over there and I think I see someone. I think it's just a house over there. House where I cut across. See that, guys? Yeah, I think that's just a house. I'm trying to find my way out. Once I do, I'll check back with y'all later. Okay. That's the way out. I found my way out. Oh. Make sure y'all get this to 7 likes if y'all want to see me go in there alone at nighttime. I got a turtle. Look at this turtle. I almost stepped on this turtle, guys. Hey, let me get out of the way. Turtle. Should I pet him? I'm gonna pet him. Hey, little buddy. You okay? He dead. Should I pick him up? You good, brother? I think he's dead. That's awesome. I think the man's dead, though. Alright, peace out. I was like, turtle. That's funny right there. That's funny right there, guys. I thought a turtle. That turtle freaked me out. That turtle about freaked me out, guys. So anyway, this is where it is. This the plug, this the hood. It's gone wrong in the hood, son. Gone wrong in the hood. Alright guys, so I just gotta say a couple things real fast. Thank you for all the support recently. Thank you for all the support. Move my fingers out. Thank you for all the support, guys. I'm up to 84 subscribers. You gotta use that real-time subscriber count for, like, cause YouTube, they don't like do it right or anything. So like, because like, if they did everyone's, then their servers would be like so slow. So make sure y'all get me to 100 subscribers, and I'll like maybe shave my hair, like get a buzz cut. Maybe I will I think I know once I get to 100 subscribers, maybe I'll go to Bridge Street and do like an Impractical Jokers thing. I mean, you know, you never. I think that's what I'll do, yeah. Just because I think that'd be awesome. So, make sure y'all get me to 100 subscribers. I'll check back with y'all later. Peace.